Quick tip. Take before and after photos or videos and post them on social media. Post them weekly. Ignore the fact that you won't get any likes or comments. Believe me, your followers and friends see them. Your posts are not solely to sell them a service, but more about keeping them in the loop of what's going on with your business. I'll give you an example. The wife of the owner of this vehicle is a Facebook friend of mine. Now, I can't recall her liking or commenting on any of my posts, but if she's a Facebook friend of mine, I know she sees my post. Well, her husband posted on Facebook that he needs a detailer today, and I was already booked, but he told me that he wanted me to do the vehicle because his wife and other Facebook friends recommended me as well. See, I'm connected to all the people on Facebook that recommended me to this customer. All of them knew that I offer mobile detailing, but the funny thing is, I've never detailed any of their vehicles. They referred me strictly off my videos. Now ain't that something? So don't get discouraged by your friends on Facebook that may not support you in the way that you may like. There are other ways that they can give you support. So I decided to detail his vehicle at night and secured the bag with a big tip. The next morning, I'm up and I'm back at it. How to get customers. You want more customers because you want more money, and that's understandable. See, here's the thing. We get tunnel vision when it comes to this subject because we focus on one way to get customers. We pick one strategy, and when that strategy doesn't work, we give up. We all know that we have to advertise to get customers, but who to advertise to and how to advertise are the questions you should be asking yourself. From my experience, I noticed that real estate agents, women, executives, doctors, lawyers, and soccer moms are the ideal people to advertise to. It's a selected demographic that will pay hundreds of dollars for a detail. They need your services and they can afford those services with a tip. These people are actually searching for people like us, and we have to be easily found. And just think about it. When you're looking for something, where do you search? Okay, let me put it this way. If you're looking for a new DA polisher and wanted to compare prices, where would be the first place you'll look? You get my drift? Well, potential customers and clients are searching for you Just make sure your name pops up. I actually got a chance to detail that vehicle once I got done with this Mustang. So being seen always works. Just make sure you have business cards on deck to give to prospective customers and clients. Know your prices off head and speak to them with confidence. Be able to look at their vehicle and quickly give them a price on the spot. One more tip, leave business cards in the vehicle when you're finished detailing it. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, if you want a one-on-one with me on this subject, email me for details. My email address will be in the description. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.